Hi everyone. Kilala niyo siguro si Bruno Mars, no? Bruno Mars ay napakagaling na singer, R&B singer. Maraming siyang fans, pero bakit? Siguro dahil sa maganda niyang boses. Pero sa maganda niyang boses, kaya niyo ba kantahin kahit isa man lang sa kanta niya? Well, mas magandang sabihin na kaya niyo po bang i-perform ang mga ginagawa ni Bruno Mars. Kaya ako gumawa ng video na to para ituro ang mga madadaling steps para kantahin ang mga kanta ni Bruno Mars. And bibigyan ko kayo ng isang kanta ni Bruno Mars na kakantahin natin ngayon. So, kailangan lang serious ka and calm. Kailangan throat mo maayos. Kaya sa isang kanta ni Bruno Mars na ito, sana ay matutunan nyo o may perform nyo kanta Bruno Mars ng tama. So, Just the Way You Are by Bruno Mars. Tuturo ko po sa inyo. Shining, her hair make it perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I come to level, she won't believe me. It's so, when it makes see what I see. Every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, when I see her face, I would change. Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. So, just be serious and keep on practicing, guys. Okay, just keep on practicing to sing that video, and I hope you like this. And sana naman magaya niyo yung video na yun. And thanks for watching.